welcome to Kucoin Global YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking about Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin? Who is the person behind it? How it works and more. And to see more videos like this, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell ring to be the first person to see new video. Let's get started. Okay, let's start with the definition of Bitcoin. So what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency without any central bank or single administrator that can be sent from the user to user on a peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. So what does this mean? What does decentralized mean? So basically, to understand well, it means you cannot call, you cannot see. It's all virtual. It's all about codes. Bitcoin means thousands of codes, and it has no built-in, no manager, no customer services, and it has no trust issue. So when we choose banks, what do we look for? Trust, right? So Bitcoin solves this trust issue. So it says basically to send money, you don't need to trust anybody, or you don't need to trust any institutions in the world. If you use Bitcoin, you don't need to have a bank or third person. Only Bitcoin itself will help you a lot. So that's the philosophy behind Bitcoin. And also it first appeared on a blog in 2008 by Satoshi Nakamoto, and there was a white paper of Bitcoin, and he was talking about his money 2.0. And in January in 2009, we started seeing Bitcoin live officially. There are different theories about who is Satoshi Nakamoto, but as we know, we don't know the person. And there are different names about him. And it's unknown character who is credited with inventing Bitcoin. And as we see right on the pictures, we have Nick Szabo on the top left, name is Satoshi Nakamoto. We have Elon Musk, which is very fun. And also we have Halving. So we have different characters, and also we have Craig Wright too as the Bitcoin founder. So the other part, how it works. Okay, now imagine a story. Okay, we have two friends. We have Eric and we have Angelina, and Eric and Angelina are friends from Erasmus, and Angelina calls him pay his debt because Eric got some money while they were Erasmus, and now she needs money as well. Eric must pay his debts he got 2 years ago when he was Erasmus. Now he tries to send money by MoneyGram. When he tries this, but it's very expensive, so which is very hard to send the money because Eric will be paying very high fees. And he tries to use UniCredit, but it's very slow. Angelina will be having a party and she needs to save the money immediately. And this process of UniCredit will be taking some days to achieve the money. So at this point, Bitcoin comes. It has no need to wait for long and no high fees needed. What happens to send the money? Eric gets address of his friend Angelina. We call this address public key, and he sends his debt $100, and we have before we send the money. After sending, we have miners. Miners approve these transactions, and miners are the ones having special equipment such as ASIC to mine Bitcoin. So you may wonder, what is ASIC? ASIC is application specific integrated circuits, and these machines were created only for Bitcoin to mine. To mine means to solve some problems. So what kind of problem we have in Bitcoin? We do not have pool problems. We have different problems of Bitcoin. So this transaction takes only a minute or so and asks for very small amount of money. So Eric is happy because he hasn't paid high fees. Angelina is happy because she hasn't waited for long. So we mentioned mining, ASIC. So let's see what is mining. Mining is a distributed consensus system that is used to confirm pending transactions by including them in the blockchain. Transaction, as you remember, Eric sent money to Angelina. So this is a transaction. So to be able to send and approve the transactions, we have miners. On the right, you can see miners. We have GPU mining and we have ASIC mining. And it enforces a chronological order in the blockchain, protects the neutrality of the network, and allows different computers to agree on the state of the system. To be confirmed, transactions must be packed in a block that fits very strict cryptographic rules that will be verified by the network. So we have halving, which is very important part when we follow Bitcoin. So what is halving? We will see this basically. Miners work for rewards. They'll ask for something because they buy some crazy ASIC machines, they pay for electricity and stuff like that. So there must be an earn, there must be a reward. And the reward is Bitcoin as well when people mine. And halving is basically to cut the reward in half. So why do we have something like this? Because Bitcoin value goes high, and to mine, more people started using powerful machines like this to be able to make more profit. People started using ASIC. Miners essentially race to be first to add new blocks to the blockchain and get rewards. So that's why they use ASIC. And also every 4 years, mining rewards go less. After every 210,000 blocks mined, the block reward is halved. So miners had 50 Bitcoin in 2009. In 2012, they had 25. As you see, it goes more difficult. At 12.5 Bitcoin in 2016, 6.25 Bitcoin in 2020. So what we will be having in 2024, 3.12 Bitcoin. This is going to be the reward. And also now we will be talking about interesting facts happened in the topic of Bitcoin. So a wealthy wallet. As you see the guy on the top right, a guy named James Howell threw out a hard drive in 2013 containing his digital wallet. Guess what? He had 7.5k Bitcoin inside his digital wallet. Can you imagine? And also the other one, Ethereum co-founder, that guy, that young man born in 1994, Vitalik Buterin, used to work for Bitcoin Weekly, and he used to write articles for that website. And as a writer, he got paid 5 Bitcoin for each article written. Buterin later founded Bitcoin magazine and he became the lead writer. And also the first purchase, a programmer guy named Laszlo bought 2 pizzas with 10,000 Bitcoin. And also the brand Papa John's Pizza celebrated that Bitcoin Pizza Day too. As you see, 11 years ago today, a very hungry programmer Laszlo paid 10k Bitcoin for 2 Papa John's pies, marking the very first Bitcoin pizza transaction ever. Considering today's Bitcoin value, that trade is worth roughly 630 million American dollar. Happy Bitcoin Pizza Day. And also, which is very, very interesting, last Bitcoin will be mined in 2140. Guys, that's the end of the video. Thank you for listening to me and thank you for watching me. Take good care of yourself. And guys, if you want to have more videos like this, please write the topic you like to have on the comment. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.